forest. Pretty interesting. And look at the sky. Amazing, isn't it? When you take a walk, take time to breathe in the fresh air and really appreciate every aspect of beauty all around you. Take a breath, take a walk. And enjoy yourself. Ooh. I think the sky looks spectacular. It's really beautiful. So this is the forest of Retz, not far away from Paris, like just 2 hours away by car, 1 hour away by train. Really interesting. We take advantage of this when we're in the countryside and appreciating walks around. It's very good for the kids. Time to stay away from the screens and take advantage of life and just, relax and, blend into nature a little bit. Take a moment to do games with the family and connect together. I think it just strengthens the family bonds and it's very healthy. So if you have a chance to do this, I really would like to advise all of you, take the opportunity and just appreciate nature as much as possible when you have the possibility to be able to do it. Take a walk with your family or make a call with your friends. Don't stay too alone too long. I mean, we were never made to be loners unless we have introverts who really appreciate just being on their own too much and all. But I believe life is beautiful to share out with those surroundings. If you don't have somebody to reach out and then make a call, take a moment to laugh. Make the year wonderful. Let it be a moment where you can share with others, and you never know, you could end up even helping somebody with a beautiful idea and enabling them to just move forward in a better way and making your life full of purpose. And I just want to wish you all a wonderful time, and be kind, be good, be caring, and enjoy every moment in your life. Bye bye. Have a beautiful evening.